Generative AI is better than you think. The LLM Beefer Upper simplifies and automates the process of chain of thought by having multiple agents dedicated to a single task. For example, one focused on accuracy verification, another on suggesting improvements, and one to regenerate based on the critiques and recommendations. Consistently get between 10% to 40% better outputs from your same prompt by giving the LLM a chance to think before it speaks. Let's try an example from one of the pre-built 4-agent templates available. Here you can see the role and focus of each individual agent who will work together as a team to get the best result within a couple of minutes. Let's upload an academic paper on the use of generative AI in social science that I want some study notes on. I specifically want to focus on practical examples I can use for my own research, rather than a typical student set of study notes. So I'll make that clear in the prompt itself. Now let's hit run and watch the results come in. The best part is you see each agent's output, so the AI is showing its working, so to speak, so you can see exactly where the reasoning for improving is coming from. Then you get the final agent's output. Not bad, and clearly a substantial improvement over Agent 1's response. You can create your own multi-agent prompt templates at any time, and once you have a template saved, you can and should refine over time to maximize the quality for future tasks. If you're not sure how to get the best multi-agent prompts, you can use the Generate with AI option, which will create draft prompts for each agent using the criteria needed by the LLM Beefer Upper system, meaning that Agent 4 gets to see all the previous AI responses as well as the original prompt and knowledge data. Once you've edited it, the template is yours to use and improve.